Hey guys, this is Tim. About 2 years ago, I purchased this 60-inch tailgate light bar for increased visibility on the back of my truck. It has 504 LEDs, 3 levels to give you 6 different functions. So let me show you each of those functions. Okay, this is the running lights. Has a little bit of a flicker. That's due to poor video. That's the brake lights. Okay, this is the brake lights without the running lights. What you would see during the daytime. This is your backup light. Here's your backup light. This is your right turn signal. Then your left turn signal, with and without the running lights. And this is your hazard light. In the event you have to pull over to the side of the road, you can turn your hazard lights. And the thing that I like the most, if you're looking for your vehicle in the parking lot, just use your remote to light up the back. So I highly recommend this tailgate LED light bar.